Rise and shine everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy. This is part 3 of my Disney World series. Today we're going to Animal Kingdom. We're gonna eat lots of good food. We're gonna see cool animals including Raw Unstoppable's naked mole rats. Spoiler alert, not as cute as Rufus. If you know, you know. We're gonna go on the Avatar Pandora ride. We're gonna watch the Lion King show. We're gonna meet Mickey and the gang at a buffet. We're also gonna get soaked because I made a bad call thinking we'll be lucky on a water ride. So we're gonna have lots of fun. Anyways, and I hope you enjoy this video. Hello, around 6:30 a.m. This is me, barely awake, but I switched up my Mickey ears for a new and refreshing day. As we enter the park, you'll definitely notice that everyone else has the same idea of appearing early for early entry. Enter the early entry crowd. Tree of Life. As we were walking, we came to an abrupt stop for Avatar Flight of Passage. Line just keeps on looping around. At least the line's moving. Honestly, although the line seemed pretty long by the time we got into it, it wasn't bad at all because we kept on moving, and as you move, you're able to really appreciate the creativity behind all the decorations, the flora, the rocks, the colors. Because everything is created from scratch, I truly got to appreciate the different choices that the Disney team has made to put together this all-inspiring area designed to represent Pandora in Avatar. It's so well done to the extent that it's easy to forget that this was actually all artificial. 7:46, wait time 40 minutes, finally entering. It's now 55 minutes standby wait for this ride, and then the river next to us, the river ride, is only 5 minutes. Oh no! We're here at the Navi River Journey. We are now in line for the Navi River Journey. We just finished the Flight of Passage and it was really cool. I don't want to spoil anything, but Howard's glasses got slightly wet a tiny bit. 3D glasses, and that was unfortunate, but I didn't get anything wet, so that was great. Overall, I would definitely recommend, but right now the wait time, it's 8:30-ish a.m. and the wait time for that ride is now 80 minutes, so I would definitely recommend early entry, get there first, and then hopefully after the Navi River Journey, we're gonna head to the safari, and hopefully the animals are still awake. Just came out of the river journey. It was very relaxing and it was really beautiful inside. You really just sit there, go on a little river ride and just enjoy, really. So, and it was actually only a 10-minute wait, which is perfect. And now we're gonna go to the bathroom and then head to the safari. Hey, this place is lit at 9 a.m. Listen to the music.
Smaller animal you can see along the fence line there, that's a yellow-backed duiker. Ain't the ghost of the forest. She's that sharp pattern will blend into their surroundings. People spend about 16 hours of their day fully submerged in the water. Nile crocodile. Nile crocodile are the largest species of crocodilian that live here in Africa. Zebra and giraffe are able to stand about an hour after they're born, and that's out of necessity. They have to be able to stand to be able to nurse. Once they are fully standing after the hour, on average, they are about 6'1" or 6'2" as newborns.
Needless to say, we saw plenty of cool animals and learned a bunch of fun facts from our awesome tour guide.
Elephants have thousands of muscles in just their trunks. When they flap their large ears, it's to help expel heat from their body.
This is a duker. There's also something mesmerizing just looking at these naked mole rats interact and chase each other. They're not as cute as I thought they would be, but that's okay. Next up, Planet Watch. After 5, 6, 7 minutes, we got dropped off at another station. We were really confused, but we realized I think you climb off the train and then you just walk around, do some more exploring, and then you can climb back onto the train and then go back to the original starting place. So we're just gonna go walk around, check it out a bit, and then probably head back. Alert for the next few seconds.
Swamps, the jungles, all that nice vegetation. He's cool with doing this. They have the choice if they want to come out and interact. If they don't want to do it, we won't force them to do it. But he's chill.
These are full size, right?
He's a little small, but he could get a little bit longer and a little bit thicker as well. But this is about average.
After the indoor exhibition, we came out to see a petting zoo. Honestly, it was one of my favorite parts of today. There was also this little playground just for the sheep that's fenced off so no one can go inside and pet them. I was a bit bummed out, but I later got my wish to pet them. You just see. Right? Hello, hello. Whoa, 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 whoa. Right?
It feels like a sponge.
And this is why you have to dry clean. Now we just put our name down for the buffet for Tusker House. I think it's an hour away, so for those of you who definitely know where you want to go, put down your reservation. But for us, we're just being chill and we'll just kill an hour time and just walk around and look at the tree of life and hopefully be warmer because today is very cold. It's like 40s something degrees Celsius. Oh, sorry, 40 degrees Fahrenheit. On the Treasure Island? Treasure Island? Is it Treasure Island or Treasure? Oh, oops. We're on Discovery Island and there's a lot of people. Of life. And finally, we got the notification to start walking back. So Tusker House is a character dining experience that offers a buffet featuring African and Indian inspired cuisine. When we sat down, we're given this postcard with all the characters on it. It's currently sitting in my home right now. The waiter told us that each character will make their round, and eventually we should be able to meet each of them during the whole meal, and that's exactly what we did. Mickey actually missed our table because whoever was inside likely couldn't see us in the costume and we were sitting down. So I actually asked the waiter if Mickey can circle back, and we later did get the photo. So shout out to the crew for making magic happen. For the food-wise, it was really good. I can't speak to its authenticity because I've never been to Africa or India, but I can speak to the fact that each bite of food packs a lot of flavor and spice. And desserts and fruit were a great finish too. So all in all, the food was really good and definitely would recommend this restaurant if you're looking for a buffet. And after a small walk, we looked for something else to do, and that is the water ride. We decided to attempt fate and see where it leads us. Completely wet. Oh, completely wet. We got soaked. My jeans are so heavy right now. Ah.
The show can begin. Hey, what do you know?
Hi again. We made it back. I got so wet that I had to come back. So we actually sat through the Lion King's performance while we're still wet, and the performance was still amazing. I'll say that and Avatar have been the best experiences so far. But yeah, I was so wet, I just had to come back and then take a quick shower and then change clothes. And now we're sitting on the bench waiting for the bus to pick us up again back to Animal Kingdom. So another perk for living off the resort or living in the resort off the different theme parks. It was a quick check-in process back into the park, and it's still crazy to me that that mountain is fake. We quickly walked to the Expedition Everest ride and headed straight to single rider entrance. You don't need your family or friends to sit with you for this ride because it's so worth it to just go on it as many times as you can. The ride was so fun, and the single rider lane let us go on it twice in a row. So later, we then got a Yeti sundae with a little chocolate with the Yeti printed on it. That was super cool. And then after that, we walked over and found a spot for ourselves to watch the Tree of Life performance. For dinner, we came to Satuli Canteen, which is in the Avatar Pandora area. The ground, for example, is beautifully lit up. There are prints that are glow in the dark on the ground. So definitely check that out when you come in at night. And for entrees, I got the Ocean Moon Bowl. Albert got the chopped wood grilled chicken bowl. And for dinner, we got a blueberry cream cheese mousse. Isn't it beautiful? Everything was really good. We're gonna save the cream cheese mousse for breakfast tomorrow. I demolished my Ocean Moon Bowl because it actually resembled the Chinese dish I'm familiar with and I really like. Albert really liked his chicken bowl. Overall, I would recommend this restaurant. And once again, thank you all so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next one.